Alright, what's going on, guys? Top water, whopper plopper on the creek. You gotta love it. Post spawn fishing for smallmouth. They were real active. Got cut a little bit short on the fishing trip. We had a big storm roll through, but all in all, a great time when I was out there. So if it wasn't for the storm, I think they would have kept producing, but they were definitely active. Caught some good smallies on the top water. Can't beat that. Let's check the video out. There we go. There we go. Good smallie. I knew you were hidden under there, bub. I knew you were hidden under there. Boy, that's a good one. Yeah, he came and got that sucker. Good fish. Good smallmouth. Yes, sir. Boy. Good smallie. Oh, he blew that one up. He blew that one up. "15 inches. Got him. Got him, baby. Good fish. Come on now. Good fish. Get him all the way. Oh, get him all the way in there. Another big lot. Smallmouth. Yeah. Another small. Stay away from your brother. Okay. Okay. Another one about 14, 15 maybe. Beautiful. I deserve that. That's a good one. Got him that time. There you you go. Oh, that's a real good one. $16, 0, 16 inches. Getting bigger. Okay, buddy. There we go. I knew you were in there. Just couldn't find you. Big smallie. Big smallie. Attaboy. Come on. Come on. Attaboy. There's a smallie.